This is currently what I'm packing in a diaper bag for a 21-month-old. He's been on over 20 flights, and what we're putting in our diaper bag for flights is constantly changing. Right now, he's very into books, toys, and snacks, so I packed a lot of each. Each snack for him is a completely different distraction. So I will also add an iPad with a show that he likes, pre-downloaded, diapers and wipes, jammies, coloring, some medicine and butt paste, and then what he needs to be able to eat when we're in the airport and then throughout the weekend, and also a blanket in case he gets cold.